OpenAI's first real physical robot shocks the entire industry preview. OpenAI, the company that brought us the revolutionary ChatGPT, is now turning its attention to the development of humanoid robots. The San Francisco-based tech giant has recently invested in a secretive Norwegian startup called 1X, which was formerly known as Halodi Robotics. But what does this company do? What kind of humanoid robots are they developing? And what are these robots capable of? Well, let's take a brief look at it. Rumors have been circulating that the robots created by 1X are capable of performing human-like movements and behaviors. Could these machines be the next breakthrough in robotics, or are we entering a new era where machines are indistinguishable from humans? It's interesting to note that OpenAI had its in-house robotics branch until abandoning it in 2021 to focus on AI research. 1X is interested in investigating the possibilities of AI in a human-like form, while OpenAI is committed to developing AGI. OpenAI COO Brad Lightcap has said that 1X is leading the way in complementing labor with safe, cutting-edge robotics technologies. The company will utilize the $23.5 million it received in a Series A2 fundraising round headed by OpenAI's startup fund to create Neo, its next generation of androids. The company, which was founded in 2014 and has its headquarters in Norway, produces a wheeled humanoid robot dubbed Eve. It plans to put the money into making Eve open to the public in Norway and the United States. Although creating robots with human-like characteristics has long been a desired aim, it has proven to be an extremely difficult task. However, LLMs developed by OpenAI may be the answer. Microsoft, which has invested $1 billion in OpenAI, has discovered that its LLM chatbot can be used to pilot unmanned aerial vehicles and robotics. The ChatGPT's natural language processing capabilities translated the researchers' plain English commands for the robots into machine language. Using a pipeline, the authors of the study ChatGPT for Robotics showed how ChatGPT may be used for robotics problems. Natural language dialogue, code prompting, XML tags, and closed-loop reasoning are only some of the prompting methods used in the pipeline. While OpenAI continues to work on AGI, there is an ongoing debate among researchers as to whether or not human embodiment is necessary. Chris Anderson, CTO at Kitty Hawk, expressed his excitement about this breakthrough by tweeting, "One of the interesting questions is whether becoming embodied, or having senses and the ability to act in the physical world, could tip an AI into full AGI." There is a school of thought among researchers that embodied intelligence, or the capacity to interact with the environment and perceive sensory information, is crucial for the advancement of AGI, even though it is not yet known whether human embodiment is necessary. However, there is a countervailing school of thought that suggests it would be feasible to attain AGI without a physical body. However, neither of the opposing viewpoints is supported by sufficient evidence. It makes sense for OpenAI to fund 1X if it is determined that human embodiment is essential for artificial general intelligence. Although OpenAI had previously spent extensively in robotics research, the startup dissolved its robotics research team in 2021. OpenAI has successfully taught a robotic hand to solve a Rubik's Cube. However, OpenAI abandoned robotics development because of a lack of data. Wojciech Zaremba, the co-founder of OpenAI, confirmed as much on an episode of Weights and Biases. He claims that powerful computers are essential for constructing robots. He sees two ways in which robots can be used effectively. One is to amass a great deal of information. We may also require robust video models similar to our high-performance text models. Because of OpenAI's connection with Microsoft, 1X may be able to gain access to powerful computing resources as a result of OpenAI's investment. Additionally, GPT-4, the cutting-edge LLM to date, is a multimodal system. As a result, it may make work based on both visual and textual cues. Curiously, the video may represent the next generation of LLMs. This means that OpenAI may soon have it all it needs to begin developing humanoid robots. And what if Neo faced off against Optimus? 1X isn't the only new company working on humanoid robots. Last year, Elon Musk, CEO of autonomous vehicle manufacturer Tesla, unveiled Optimus, a hypothetical general-purpose robotic humanoid. In a surprising turn of events, Elon Musk invested in OpenAI shortly after its founding in 2015, but eventually Musk's friendship with OpenAI's founders became sour. Sam Altman, the co-founder of OpenAI, discussed their partnership with Musk in a recent podcast with Lex Fridman. Now that OpenAI has backed 1X, the business may run against Musk again in the field of robots as it enters the North American market. And that's all for today's video, but we'll be right back with more soon. Don't forget to give this one a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel.